Have you ever watched Iron Chef? Cupcake Wars? What about MasterChef? Well, you don't have to be as good as they are, but cooking is still an important skill to learn, and I'm here to tell you why. Hello, I'm Tessa and I'm here to talk about why kids should learn how to cook. When kids learn how to cook, they don't eat as much frozen or fast food. Often when kids first get to college, they don't know how to cook and resort to faster frozen food. 1 out of 3 college students don't know how to boil an egg. Eating home-cooked meals 5 or more days a week is even associated with a longer life. Even though it may seem that fast food is cheaper, it's way unhealthier. Restaurant diners consume about 20% more sodium than home cooks. Second of all, when kids learn how to cook, they know exactly what they're eating because they're the ones who cooked it. Oftentimes, boxed or processed or frozen foods have artificial ingredients or added sugar, which is not healthy. Cooking can be less expensive. Here's a cost comparison from home cooking versus meal kit versus restaurant, home cooking being the cheapest. Children who learn how to cook are using math in real world problems. For example, they're measuring ingredients or calculating the right temperature. They're also learning about science. For instance, using chemistry and physics. Cooking can introduce new cultures and attitudes. Cultivating a welcoming and open-minded approach to food can grow adults who approach life similarly. Arms open and mouth wide to new tastes, cultures, and attitudes, from the New York Times. This is basically saying that kids who learn how to cook are more open to new ideas and eager to explore the world. Cooking is a way to de-stress. There are studies showing cooking is a link to happiness. It is also a way to bond with your loved ones. Overall, cooking is an essential life skill. Some college students even have to withdraw from college because they don't know how to cook. It's best to start cooking at a young age as it's exposing them to actual adult skills you need. From my personal experience, cooking has proved a valuable skill. Thank you for listening, and my dad loves my brownie cookie.